Okay, students. Now all of you see here. Actually, in this chapter of 4 negative numbers and integer, today we are going to start exercise 4a from question number 2. So let's see what is your question says. In this question says, question number 2, write integers to represent the following situations. That means in front of you some situations are given, and according to that situations you have to write down the integers. Very simple question, very simple. So let's see. First question, first part, that is 4 degrees centigrade below 0. Below 0. Next question, I will write down, I will take 3 questions first of all. And after that I will explain you one by one. 100 meter above sea level, and third part, that is win by 3 goals. Okay, so this is your question. Now try to understand, very simple question. 4 degrees centigrade below 0. Obviously, suppose think if it is 0, then we will represent below 0, that means negative. And if your question says above, then we have to consider as a positive sign. Correct? So that's why here already given integer we have to represent 4. Okay, so we can write down here minus 4. We will represent like this, minus 4. Why minus? Because this is below, that's why minus, and 4 already given, that's why we are written here 4. Now next one, 100 meter above sea level. 100 meter above sea level. That means above means plus. Okay, write down plus. And how many? 100 meter. So write down all of you plus 100. That is your complete. Very simple. Now next question, win by 3 goals. So here win is given. That means we are positive. हम लोग positive way में जा रहे. That means plus, and how many goals? 3 goals. So that is your complete answer. If your question says here we are loss, that's why we can say minus 3. अगर इसमें loss दे रखा होता, so we can write down, we can written here like minus 3. Here win is given, that means we can say plus ka 3. Understood? Very easy. Now we'll move next question. Let's see. Fourth part, rupees 578 loss, and fifth part is 8 seconds before lift off during a space flight. Okay, now try to understand all of you. Here given 578 loss. Okay, loss is given, that's why minus. And how many minus? Rupees 578. Write down here 578. Done. Okay, now if your question says 8 seconds, this is 8 seconds before lift of the during a space flight. Try to understand. Here given 8 seconds before. If your question says 8 seconds after, then we can say plus. But here given 8 seconds before lifting off during a space flight. That's why we will write down here lifting off. Okay, एक चीज आप कह सकते हो इसमें 8 seconds before lifting off during a space flight. तो lift off means lift off मतलब बताओ मुझे, और lift on मतलब. Okay, students, tell me what is the answer of this question. -8 या +8? All of you just tell me answer in your chat box. Do fast. Give your answer fast. What is the correct answer? Give me fast. -8 या +8? Yes, students. Very good. Okay. Very good. -8. Correct answer. -8 is there. Okay. The answer will be minus ka 8. Very good. Okay, now next question all of you see here. This is complete answer minus k, correct answer. Very good. Now we'll move next question. Let's see. Question number 3. Now in this question number 3, that is given below is a number line and representing integers. One number line is given. In that number line, if you observe in your book, some numbers, some integers are given. So one by one we have to write down which integers are there, है ना? कैसे? See here. This is your number line. This is your 0h. Okay. Now, how many next is E is given? Next, dash, this is A. This is nothing, this is D. And this is minus ka 6. Now coming down right hand side, this is nothing. This is F. This is B. This is C. This is G. And this is 6. Now students, one by one you have to solve the question. Try to understand, very simple. In this question says, first part A. So A is the alphabet representing which integer? Anna? A is the alphabet that is representing which integer? Let's see. As we know, this is 0 point और 0 का आपका left hand side में सारे क्या होता है? Negative integers. Yes or no? And right hand side all the positive integers. So that means we can say this is minus 1, this is minus 2, this is minus 3. So write down here A is equals to how many? Minus ka 3. Understood? Very easy. Okay. Now students, let's see. Second part, that is B. Okay, B is equals to, let's see. What is the value of B? 0, 1, 2, 3, plus 3. Very good. Now let's see third part, that is given C. Okay, C is equals to, let's see, this is 0, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 is there. Write down here C is equals to plus ka 4. Next, fourth part, that is D. चलो एक बार क्वेश्चंस लिख लेते हैं ना. Fifth one, sixth one. So fifth one is given your E. Then F. And seventh part G. And eighth part is given, that is H. Done? Okay. So one by one I have to try to solve this question. First of all, D. D is there. So D कितना है? Let's see. 0. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5. So D is equals to how many? Minus ka 5. Write down here minus 5. Very easy. What happened, Nitika? Okay. Now this is minus 5 done. Now E. E is equals to how many? Let's see. E is equals to how many? This is 0. Anna? This is how many? 0. And this is how many? Minus 1. Write down minus 1. Very simple. Okay. Now F is there. अब F को कितना कौन से इंटीजर से रिप्रेजेंट करें? Let's see. We can say H is equals to 0. This is the minus. This is plus 1. This is plus 2. Okay, just wait. F is equals to plus ka 2. Write down plus ka 2. Now G. G where? G is here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the answer will be plus ka 5. And at last H is equals to, we can say H kahan pe? Here only. And this is how many? This is 0. So write down 0. Done. Now students tell me, this each and every question very easy na? Just all of you understood, so thumbs up like this. Very good. Each and every questions are very very easy, we can say. इससे easy question हो ही नहीं सकता. Okay, very good. Now we'll move. देखो इस question में थोड़ा सा एक line दे रखा है. All of you just check it out. In your question, one line is given. In this question says, which of the following points represent a pair of opposite? Which of the following points represent the pair of opposite? Suppose if I say here A is equals to given minus ka 3. Here A is equals to given minus ka 3 and B is equals to given plus ka 3. So they are opposite, no? देखो 3 का opposite क्या होता है? Minus 3. So this is making a pair. This is making a pair. That's why we can say A and B is the first pair. So all of you write down like this here. Pair कितना बन रहा है? A, B. This is the first pair. Now 4 plus का 4 and minus का 4 having? No. तो ये pair नहीं बनेगा. Plus minus 5 and plus 5. Yes. That means D and G. This is the pair. Write down D and G. Next. Or any pair? No, not having any pair. So we can say AB and DG are the pairs. We can say. Okay, understood? Pairs बनाना है किस तरीके से? Opposite sign के साथ. Suppose here again I am telling you -3 plus 3. This is making a pair. -5 plus 5. This is also making a pair. So that is your complete answer. Okay, question number 2 done. Sorry, question number 3 done. Now we'll move question number 4. Let's see. Okay. Now just I'm seeing here, just wait. Yes, it is very, very easy. Whenever I ask in that time, just give your answer. Otherwise, no. Okay ना? Chat में फालतू का लिखना नहीं है आप लोगों को. Now question number 4. Because I know you are very intelligent guys, boys and girls, all of you. मैथ्स का पेड में सबसे आपका इंटरेस्टिंग होता है मुझे पता है. That's why just all of you observe here only. So in question number 4, that is given, write, I'm writing question also. Just check it here. Write the opposite. Write the opposite of each integer. Of each integer. Okay, I am writing the question first of all, है ना? First of all, I am writing the question and after that I will ask you also. 82. This is -310. This is 450. Okay, tell me students, this question's answer give me fast. Whatever question is there, 5 question, I will give you 30 seconds and within 30 seconds, all of you give your answer in your chat box. No issue. Okay? Do fast. Yes, notebook. Nitu, yes, we write in notebook, sir. Yes, obviously, I have to write down in notebook. No issue. अगर आप directly यहाँ पे notebook में करना चाहो तो one thing you can do. Now you can just write down in practice notebook and afterwards you have to write down in fair notebook properly. Okay, I am giving you time. So all of you just check it out. Within 30 seconds, you have to solve and tell me answers one by one. Time start now. $93 given, very good. Next question fast. All the question give answers. And within 30 seconds only. Very good. Answer is coming like a Rajdhani Express. Time over. Okay. Now let's see your answers are correct or not. All of you match your answers. What is the opposite of -3? So in this case, opposite means you have to change your sign only. That means minus, that's why plus ka 90. Very, very simple question. Plus 82 is there. This is minus 82. Next question. Minus 310. That means plus ka 310. Plus ka 450. Minus ka 450. Now, what is the opposite of 0? Anyone know? What is the opposite? Yes, very good. 0 only. That answer is correct. 100% 0. Because we know 0 is neither positive nor negative. That's why the answer will be 0 only. Okay? Very good. Very good. Very good. Now we'll move next question. Let's see. So now in question number 5, we'll move. Now all of you see here question number 5. In this question number 5 says, write all the integers. All of you on your camera. Here 68 students are there and I know 68 students how, because you were focused in studying, that's why you are just taking your class. Yes or no? तो आप लोगों का कैमरा ऑन करने में क्या प्रॉब्लम आता है? Just all of you, so I can identify you are studying or not properly. है ना? Okay, see here. Question number 5 says, write all the integers between -3 and 4. Very simple question. One question I am writing here. Try to understand. In this question says, in between -3 and 4, how many integers are there? Very simple question. In between -3 and 4, how many integers are there? How? See, -3, then we can write down -2. If we go in right hand side, then only, because हमें right hand side में ही जाना पड़ेगा क्योंकि 4 है, positive है. So that's why -3, -2, -1, 0, sorry 0, then 1, then 2, then 3, then 4. ये आपका numbers -3 to 4. Then in your question says how many integers are live. तो कौन सा इंटीजर हुआ? -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3. So if I say how many number of integers live, अगर मैं पूछूं कितना नंबर है, so we can say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. But if your question says write down the integers आप लिखो, so in that case you have to write down only this one, this one, this one, this one, this one, this one, this one. ये आपका आंसर है. So what you have to write down properly? See here, integers between -3 and 4 are -2, -1, 0, 1, 2 and 3. Done? Yes, all of you? Very easy. Okay, now we'll move next question. Actually this type of question, when we have to solve a lot of questions, then 100% you have to understood very well. Okay now, let's see next question. My class 6 is already genius class, है ना? Class 6, yes, toppers. I am seeing here all the students are toppers only. Hanshika, Niharika, Priya, all the students are like toppers. Ritika, Bhavya, all the students. Very good. You have to take your class like this way. So you have to, जब भी आपका ऑफलाइन क्लास भी ओपन होगा ना, तो हमें तो ये कवर करने का लाइक इंपॉर्टेंस ही नहीं है, क्योंकि जो स्टूडेंट नहीं पढ़ रहे उनके लिए प्रॉब्लम, बट यू आर स्टडिंग प्रॉपरली, सो ऑब्वियसली ये तो आप इजीली सॉल्व कर लोगे तब, है ना. एंड व्हेन लाइक सपोज पीरियडिक टेस्ट विल कम आफ्टर सम डेज, सो इन दैट टाइम ऑल्सो आपको अभी से प्रैक्टिस स्टार्ट करना पड़ेगा, बिकॉज सपोज अभी से आप नहीं पढ़ोगे, so afterwards whenever you have to periodic test give, in that time इतना सारे कोर्स आप कवर नहीं कर पाओगे, है ना. that's why you have to practice from now only. okay, अब ये नहीं पूछना सर from which date you have to like your periodic test will start, ये मत पूछना, आपका नोटिफिकेशन ऑलरेडी आ जाएगा जब भी आपका periodic test होगा. okay, so see here -2 and 5, so write down integers between -2 and 5 are, sorry, 5 are -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Stop. That is the complete answer. Again I'm repeating. Suppose -2 के बाद क्या होता है? -1, then 0, then 1, then 2, then 3, then 4, sorry 5, and here if I take -2, so we can say in between these all the numbers which are like, इन दोनों के बीच में कौन सा नंबर आ रहा है? -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. done. okay, stop here. So I hope all of you understood this question. Yes or no? Thumbs up one time. Understood this question? Yes, very good. okay, now we'll move next question. okay, another question I'm doing, है ना, another question, that is fifth part, and remaining like your part number 3rd and part number 4th, that you have to solve yourself. okay, so note down, just circle like this in your book. now we'll move next question, 3rd part and 4th part, है ना. see here next question, 5th part, so that is -35 and -28. now in between these two number, minus का 35 and minus का 28, in between these two numbers, which numbers are live? सो वी कैन से -35 है ना, इस तरीके से जाएंगे तो हम कम होते हैं ना, हम छोटे होते रहते हैं, छोटे नहीं होते एक्चुअली, बिगर ही होता है, बट -34, देन -33, देन -32, -31, -30, -29, -28, okay, minus here also. Now stop. Now in between -35 and -28, how many numbers are like? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and that is your complete answer. But how we will write down? You have to write down like this. Integers lie between -35 and -28 are -34, 33, 32, 31, 30, 29, done. Okay, understood all of you? No issue. Very easy. Yes, 6. Very good. अब देखो देखो एक बात समझना है ना, अगर आपका क्वेश्चन में इस तरीके से बोला है यू हैव टू राइट डाउन द नंबर्स, देन यू हैव टू राइट डाउन. बट इफ योर क्वेश्चन सेज राइट डाउन द हाउ मेनी नंबर्स लाइक, हाउ मेनी नंबर्स, काउंट करो, सो इन दैट केस यू हैव टू काउंट एंड राइट डाउन. तो उस वे में आपको कंफ्यूज नहीं होना है ना. ओके, नाउ नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन लेट्स सी. Okay, last question you have to do. Question number 5 completed now. Question number 6 is the last question we have to do today. Understood? Because in our hand 10 minutes remaining. And this is a true false. Very important question. Question number 6 and question number 7. So all of you see your book properly. Question number 6. Answer the true and false. Okay? You have to give answers true or false. So first question. The smallest integer is 0. This is the correct answer. The smallest integer is 0. 1. No, Anshika, this is wrong answer. This is not 1. False or 100% false. और आप लोग false दे भी सकते हो because from your book. You have book. पीछे से भी देख सकते हो. But why? Why? What is the correct answer? Give me. Anyone just give me what is the smallest integer? स्मॉलेस्ट इंटीजर होता कौन सा है? एनीवन नो? नो. नेगेटिव 0. ओके, लेट्स सी. एक्चुअली द स्मॉलेस्ट इंटीजर is 0. This is your false statement. Now why false? Because smallest integer सोचो आप 0, this is not neither positive nor neither negative है ना. This is -1, -2, -3. We can write down infinite, minus infinite. हम तो कितना भी लिख सकते हैं. infinite में कितना माइनस जाएगा, कितना छोटा हो सकता है, we don't know है ना. That's why minus infinite is the smallest integer. Remember, okay? Minus infinite is the smallest integer. Okay, very good. Now we'll move next question. Let's see. Next question. -17 is greater than -6. Okay, -17 is greater than -6. Yes. -17 is the greater than -6. Obviously false statement. Again false statement. Again false statement. Why? Because -17 is there, not say 17. अगर 17 बोलते तो obviously we can say yes. But here -17 is there है ना. जो नंबर सबका माइनस लगे रहता है ना, और जो नंबर आपको बिगर दिखता है आपको, वही आपका छोटा हो जाता है ना. That's why we can say this is your false statement. Understood? Now we'll move next question. Let's see. Okay, so third part, a positive integer is always greater than its opposite. A positive integer is always, think first of all think in your mind, use your mind, brain, क्योंकि हमें brain आने के लिए तो नहीं दिया, यूज करने के लिए दिया है ना. मैथमेटिक्स सॉल्व करने के लिए, कुछ भी काम करने के लिए, यूज करने के लिए. ओके, यूज योर ब्रेन. ए पॉजिटिव इंटीजर is always greater than its opposite. Yes, obviously. Screen is blurred. How it is possible? No. Yes, this is true. This is true. This I am writing only true only. Okay ना? Actually, चलो मैं लिख ही देता हूँ आपका statement. write down a positive integer. A positive integer is always greater than its opposite. This is your true statement. Now, why true statement? Because think 6 is a positive integer, and what is the opposite of 6? Minus 6. Now tell me which is greater. Obviously 6 is greater than, that's why we can say this is the 100% true statement. Now fourth part. In this fourth part, say minus 1, minus 2, minus 4, minus 8 are the integers ordered in from greatest to least. ये जो ऑर्डर है -1, -2, -4, -8, दिस इज द ऑर्डर इन विच वन? ग्रेटेस्ट टू लिस्ट या लिस्ट टू ग्रेटर? क्या है ये? बिगर टू स्मॉलर है या स्मॉलर टू बिगर? बिगर टू स्मॉलर ओनली. Yes or no? This is the bigger -1 and this is a smaller one. That's why we can say this is a true statement again. Now last question, last part. Okay, see here. The greatest negative integer is -1. Very good question. Very, very important question. The greatest negative integer is -1. That is correct or not? Yes, this is the 100% correct. The greatest negative integer is equals to -1. Remember always. Okay. So that is your complete answer, and I hope all of you understood each and every questions, and till question number 6 all of you practice properly. Understood? Yes or no? Very good.